Hello, so this is in the kitchen. This is take 2 of unboxing the TOA F-2000WT outdoor speakers. So we only do it real on this channel, there's no fake crap. This is a commercial product. So again, none of your cheap crap you'd normally buy. Those Weasley Bluetooth outdoor speakers, this is the real deal. So this is opening the box. So we've got quite a limited room, so we'll have to just make do. Stick it on this side if we can. So you've got your accessories. This is obviously take 2 up because there's another one there. So once you got your accessories out, which we'll have a look at in a minute, you then get the manual, which you probably won't be needing, seeing as there's a speaker in there. Easy anyway. But there you go, there's your manual if you do need it. Behind the manual, you can then release the beast. So this is the speaker itself. So nothing else is included in the box apart from the manual, the accessories and the speaker itself. So spinning it around, get the bag off in a minute. You can see, I'm pretty sure that's, I'm more used to PA speakers, but I'm pretty sure that's the 100-volt transformer, because like I said, this is a commercial speaker. Let's unbag it. So there's a closer look. That's the model F-2000WT, made in Indonesia, not China, so that's a start. Low impedance 8 ohms, 83 ohms, 170 ohms, rated power 60 watts. Yeah. So then you've got the terminals. So you won't be sticking any thick wire in here, just your cheap average terminals. You've got your wall mount on the back, spinning it round, you can see the front. It's a very big speaker. So there you go, the TOA logo. So it's got a nice little rattle inside of this one as well, so that's going to be fun to put on and test. It's obviously not what you want when you get a speaker. So we'll now have a look at the accessories. I don't know what you need that for, but there's one already in there obviously, so I'm a bit confused about that. There's a bracket to go on the back, another bracket to go on the back, another bracket to go on the back. Obviously these are taped and I'm using it one-handed, so that's a bear with me. So you've got your screws. So these obviously fit straight in, the smaller ones anyway, I'm not sure about the bigger ones. And that is all your accessories. So now we'll get on to testing them and see what they sound like. So just a quick update then. So these speakers are going back because the grill, to me, I mean that was worse than that. To me the grill don't look like it's in properly. And I mean one's rattling. But they got these black, you can't really see that because I got the camcorder in auto, but you can see, I mean that's not normal, is it? But yeah, so let's get on to the sound test before I send these back. So obviously this isn't professional, but I'll be running it off this Sony hi-fi amp. So obviously this is not professional, this is not a Cloud CX-A6 multi-zone etc amplifier, but it's to give us a rough sound of what they sound like. So here we go then.